Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at Australia dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here, bearish movement. It seems like another bullish engulfing candle that has happened. Very similar with euro dollar, but we have a total different approach. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here, you can see that it is more than 3 candles of bullish candle, which means it's more than 12 hours. And if you want to include these, then it's almost a day. All right, 4 hours less to a day, that means 20 hours, correct? That's how cool it is when you look at 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is one of the most important time frame if you are a mature trader or want to trade this in a mature manner, because mature traders love to use multiple time frame, and usually they do use 3 time frames. You know, when you just started off maybe 2, but eventually they do 3 time frame analysis. So they could be using daily 4 hour 1 hour or 4 hour 1 hour 15. You can see 4-hour chart, it could be a middle time frame, or engagement time frame, or a higher time frame, something for you to take note of that. Down to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have based off the 1-hour chart. Really strong market movement. So what's my plan? Well, you can scan this QR code that will bring you to our Telegram channel. On top of the channel, you will have a link invitation to our student portal over here. And on our student portal, this is what you can see. Scroll down further, you can even redeem a free trading over here, because ultimately we don't want you to rely on us on our analysis. Of course, you can view as a second opinion or to see what we have in mind, but ultimately what you want to do for yourself is to be able to analyze and trade for yourself, correct? That's the best of the best. And of course, this will get you going without any obligation. All right, so once you are subscribed to this, you can even also receive our newsletter for upcoming stuff, events, and live sessions. All right, and if you want to get coached by myself personally, because I do know that sometimes when you go for trading courses and stuff like that, you want to be coached by the founder or the course director, but often not, you are being coached by someone else, correct? Nothing wrong with that. But at this moment, if you still want to get coached by me, drop me a DM real soon, because this month alone, I have 6 trading houses approaching me and asking me to help them in various different stuff. All right, so I'm going to fly to meet them the following week as well. Let's see how things goes. All right, and if you are thinking not just trading for yourself, but eventually work for trading houses or get in the financial industry, even better, drop us a note. You can see that my clients are your potential employer, correct? So drop me a note on that. Scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas. You can see second trades that we have is, we call this the profit factor, meaning to say that every dollar that we risk, this is our potential return. So in this example, every dollar we risk, potential return $2.63, and over here, every dollar we risk, potential returns $7.47. How good is that? All right, so if you're interested, drop me a note. The whole idea is not for you to follow the trade blindly, but to be able to produce this by yourself, and you can see the entire walkthrough process when we engage a trade. So let's head back to daily chart. Just before we go into that, follow me on this social media at the minimum: Instagram, Telegram, and Twitter. All right, and the rest is good for you to follow, because we will have different purpose and different updates in different platforms. All right, so back to our daily chart. This is what we have. On the daily chart, the head and shoulder formation still stands, although it went a bit extreme. We are observing very closely, but the entire idea is for me to buy all the way up to 66.32. That's the entire idea that we have. Big time frame analysis, and if you have engaged it based on a deep gully pattern that completes at 6285, good on you. If you have not, that's fine. I've not engaged this as well. To the 1-hour chart, you see this strong bullish candle, and you see this M&W formation. If you can spot this, then perhaps your learning curve will be much shorter. Drop me a DM, you're able to learn this thing faster. And if you don't spot it, it's fine. It's just a matter of a day or two for you to get it. All right, so what I do over here when I see this kind of M&W formation, but I don't see a clear sign, I just drop one time frame lower. 15 minutes is the lowest time frame I go to. All right, and there we go. We have a bullish shark pattern opportunity at 63.57. One of the most common misunderstanding that traders have that are reading my analysis, especially they are not coached by me is that they're looking to short it all the way down. You shouldn't do that because I'm waiting to buy at 63.57. It's two different things, all right? So I can miss the trade. If the market went back up, there's no harm on my end. The worst is I lose a trading opportunity. But if you choose to short it over here without any tested proven strategy, we short it over here, and if you don't know how to put the stop loss, well, your losses can be unlimited. All right, you see the difference? All right, so if you like to learn real stuff in trading by coaches like myself that be engaged by trading houses and we are not promoting for them, drop me a DM. We'll see if you're a good fit. Till then, remember always play your trade and